Hi, my name's Grace. I'm the tour manager of the Lady Musgrave experience. For those who've been on Reef Empress know we follow strict hygiene practices. The health and safety of our guests and our crew are paramount. Our high standards allow us to remain vigilant at all times. Now, come on board, let me show you a couple of our standard practices. All bathrooms are fitted with soap and hand sanitizer dispensers and are checked at regular intervals throughout the day. A hand sanitizer dispenser is also available on the main deck for our guests' use. Our crew use a commercial grade dishwasher for all our plates, cutlery and cups. And we take great pride in maintaining the cleanliness of Reef Empress. All snorkel and dive equipment is soaked and washed upon return with hospital grade sanitizer. Our crew are trained in sanitation practices and are held accountable by a strict cleaning checklist. And at the end of every day, Reef Empress is cleaned both inside and outside by our crew. Our ongoing commitment to maintain the cleanliness of our vessel, Reef Empress, will continue. We hope to see you soon for the best experience on the Great Barrier Reef.